The last thing you want to do before you leave your sampling spot is fill out your water quality monitoring data sheet. On it, we're going to ask you to estimate the time spent per sampling day and the miles driven per sampling day. And then you're going to fill out on each date the time that you took the sample, the weather in the past 24 hours to present, so you can make some notes if there's a lot of rain the day before, and then what the weather was like when you were actually sampling. We want you to enter in the water level, which is something that you can kind of eye based on how much rain you have. If it's been drought conditions, you can kind of gauge how high or low the river's been. We ask you to identify the water color, which can be clear, cloudy, milky, foamy, muddy, or silty. And then you need to make sure that you write down the turbidity that you measured that day and the conductivity that you measured that day. And then lastly, we'd like you to enter in any observations or comments that you have about the conditions of the river when you sampled. So make sure that you fill this out. At times we may lose the data label that you put on your bottle, so it's important that we have this, so if we need to follow up with you, you have all the data in one place.